The American Association of Blacks in Energy has been around now for 36 years. And in that time, our focus really has been to ensure that African Americans and people of color participate in this industry, not only in the development of policy and understanding the impacts to our minority communities around this country, but also in terms of diversity of workforce. And we do believe that a diverse energy supply is absolutely what you need to do. There's really no other way to do it to meet the long-term needs and the short-term needs and goals of this country in terms of energy. But in addition to a diverse energy supply and diverse portfolio, you've got to have a diverse workforce. That's just the way that business needs to operate in this day and age. We have left that time where we talk about diversity in terms of it being something nice to do. Diversity is just what has to happen. And you just look at a map of where nuclear plants are located, where the new shale plays are found, and you will see that those operations occur in states that have increasing minority populations. And so our energy sources and our energy development happens locally.